Hello students, this is Vitthal Anwat and this is our second chapter of the fundamentals of human geography subjects, human race, and our topic is Griffith Taylor's theory of migration. The Griffith Taylor, he was the great human geographer and he postulated the theory of human beings migration. According to him, the human beings is developed in specific part of the world, and after that, this first man has been start to travel towards the worldwide, and after that, he situated on different types of the places. Such type of the things has been described by the Griffith Taylors according to him. And he, according to him, he write down his ideas regarding with human beings migration into his book. His book published into the 19th century. According to his book, he studied upon the diffusions of the populace from the cradle land of Central Asia, which is lie near to the Aral and Caspian Sea. Means according to the Griffith Taylor, the human being's first evolution is concerned with the Caspian Sea. You should know about the accurate location of Caspian Sea in the in the northern part of Europe. You can identify such a location of Caspian Sea. Means around this Caspian Sea, the first man has been evolved, and after that he start to migrate from this land. Accordingly, the earliest settlers were born into the cradle land. Cradle land means this is a land, Caspian Sea surrounded area. And with the emergence of later race in this area, the former migrated towards the periphery area, forming the bordering fringe of the central core. Means after the evolution of this human beings is concerned with this cradle land, and after that this cradle land the human beings start to diffuse from this place to another directions. So in this hierarchy, the first Negrito evolved. With the first human being race upon the earth's surface, according to the Griffith Taylor, is Negrito, and who were compelled to the migrate towards the boundary by the Negro, who evolved afterwards. Okay. Later, the Astrolide evolved. Firstly, Negrito, then the Negro. There is some little bit difference between the Negrito and Negro. After Negrito's core part, the Negro were evolved. Then after Negro, the Astrolites were evolved, who compelled the former to Negrito and Negro. They are the like as the Negrito or Negro to the migrates towards the marginal fringe. What is fringe? Fringe means the area whereas you can find out the same types of the characteristics. Means like an urban fringe. Such type of the fringe has been observed into the astroloids, and they look like as a Negrito and Negro. So they are concerned as the marginal fringe between these two. Like this, several races were evolved and migrated all over the world. Means like as this cradle part to Negro, cradle part to they are start to move towards the southern part towards the Africa. Then they are considered as a Negrito. Then after that the Negro were evolved, then Astrolide, and after that the different types of the races have been evolved into the world. The support of this theory means according to this theory of Griffith Taylor's, the human beings is evolved into the Central Europe, means near to the Caspian Sea. After that, they move all over the world. But he gave some evidences or the supporting evidences for this theory. These are the Taylor had made some suggestions of centrifugal movement of the populace from Central Asia to its nearby peninsula. He gave the example of Australia, America and Eurafrica. Eurafrica means northern part of the Africa. Is considered as a Europe and Africa. Okay. Means Central Asia is the evolutions of the human beings land and nearby the peninsula. Which are the peninsula? Means Arabian Peninsula is there, European Peninsula is there, then African Peninsula is there. They are, so he gave the example of this America, Eurafrica and Australia also. So how do people migrate Australia? We should focus upon the theory of continental drift. Means in the ancient time it was a part of, Australia was a part of Gondwana land. And after that he moved towards the southern part of the globe. There are many racial zones in which contains, that is the primitives, insofar we move away from Central Asia, which is provide a clear confirmation of consecutive migration of the people in every continent. Means if you focus upon the primitives or the tribes of any country, they mostly located into the remote area. There are many reasons behind that why these peoples are located into the remote area, and mostly fertile area is captured by the people who are come from the another sides. So this is a great evidence given by the Griffith Taylors. These peoples, means which people? The tribal people. They are the primitives of this land. They are located from Central Asia, which is provide a clear confirmation of the consecutive migration of the people. Then primitive races are found in the bordering area. Means if you focus upon India, most of the primitives or the tribes are located into the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and into the border of the near to the southeast. Our eastern states. Means this Eastern Seven Sisters region, Nagaland, then Assam. These are the border region of the India. Means primitives are always found near to the border area. He also gives the one best example of this theory. Negritos are found in Tanzania, Brazil, Greenland and Cape Colony. Means he gives the some Europeans example, but here we can give the example of our India. And if you give the example of not India but our Maharashtra, that time you can clearly identify the most of tribes are located near to the border area, like as Thane, then Nasik, then Sindhudurga, Ratnagiri. This is a border area whereas these peoples are located. Border area means not the area of the states, okay, is the physical boundaries are considered here for the boundary. Then this demonstrate the consecutive migration of Negrito people to the bordering areas of the world. According to the Griffith Taylor, this demonstrate of the consecutive migration of Negrito if we focus towards the world nowadays, these negative peoples are bordering area. Their location is bordering area of the world. They are located near to the borders of the world. World's border. In Southeast Asia is there. In the southernmost part of the India, there are the life of this Negrito, means these are the primitives. Sri Lanka is there. African countries are the part of whereas you can observe such a Negrito peoples. Means brief description has been given by this Griffith Taylor. So this theory is much famous into the human geography. Okay. Thank you very much.